a peace na election no be fa ntokwa bi enfa mbagana me catch them fifi quote my friend 3 times and I also know and the Crawford no mo yesa.
No, I will ask my supporters to stay calm. You have seen the crowd here who have come to show solidarity. I am grateful to them, but everybody should stay calm because let's allow the processes to go on and let the party do what it's supposed to do.
Because of vote buying, this is a clear criminality. This is a clear criminality.
So we really prime minister, it's not an offense. When you're going to be anti, so we really prime minister.
Yes.
Number 2, it's important to clarify here, sir.
Baba Jama na ye say de ne ho akiri no abatoɔ ba akopɛ a Baba Jama se wono no pese oba begina e woye ayawoso is na ne wono so no e begina se ye mra hyebedwani e de ma ayawoso is abatoɔ mpesua no so na ne ebre so 2028 abatoɔ kunini no watimi agina mu e de ama eye NDC e dwobodo chiniye amanyukuo no enka ne enka wohunu kura antena ne Nigeria na ne wondi di ni sika nketinkiti ya Baba Jama ebi no mokeka se de nti a ese wo ba Ghana se yan wo pese wo be pre ye MP di bre ni nyina ne se ese sika na wodi wo Nigeria no enso no ono no Baba Jama na wote ha pa na yanimu no fomagudie wo bua otubi se ebe sika pa de wo hunu bi eje se sika nkesenkete no Jodrama ni Mahama Mr President wo de ma no na emmoa no na Baba Jama aba ne de waba se wabo so wanye de yo de ya waba Ghana na wo se wo ba begina mu e de ama ya adehye a wo ya waso east o monto ne so waba na enye ono so na ebre no so a abankesie ni bomu akwa e de ama wo mo e wo yemra hyebedwafie NDC fu atu ahene ni esi ahene fu from say delegates akwakoto aba eyiye Baba Jama ena no memenda asem esi ye ena ye chekosua ne mako efiri hwanfo e camp na eba efiri ye Baba Jama honorable enchen na eba oso na me de obi kwakoto aba ama me mpese ni subirie bia beka no eni ti aduane itwam kosua ne mako na me mafre no mato bi dia ma omo adia we ne bone ne se Baba Jama e hono wanya boni sanse aduane kora de wo ma wunua aduane di ababo no kora kan se komu di wunua ma aduane ni baba hore de wo ya de pa na enso no ba bia wanya de ni se okoche ye TV 32 inches de yibo obo ye damu yi e na ade okoye cheye e kan ne Baba Jama ba bonten be ka se TV no wache. This is not the first time I watch TV and it is some trap for the any hwanimu yi and mo atwetwe camera de asi ne so so no Baba Jama no watch o si ai this is not the first time I watch ade dia ma obi ono no watch ne masa and is obi kwakoto aba no si wo je token kakra TV ye say 32 inches ye say 1000 to 2005 aboro so 1005 enu 2000 no de ama o seji a afa ya ba ya efri memenda na eba na da ni nchi wa hyew woma omo chantoma obakunafo yi chantoma ba konso so camp a ono so je se enema ye che wo hokra de moto wo kada momra meji ya fanya campaign esanse ye kura ne ensam kura na ese campaign yi no kada count ye ma so moto a enso nkense hwe na Baba Jama ese ono nko na ese bi wakakọ che ne yementi no ne ho bon asemu kese ene ti Mr President John Dramani Mahama ejobodo amanyoko ne kandini odimwo wase wono ne sebio obo nto ano beka kire Ghana fo nyina se keta asese dwurim kankan ne proye wo tu ase de afiri na mamuomu afia wa baidi wa ba ne se wo pabene ono meso so sebio nsem hunu nsemfu bia da so na mamuom eti wo hunu sa de no se wa ye pani want na afie nhwe masefo amfo na wonhwe man kwadaa nso nwenka nanka ya babu nanka hwefo aka nse ono no John Dramani Mahama ka ho bi na ade aba be se eye ni dinji a wogie enti Baba Jama abato won sansem nyonkwa na akogina ye enti wo se wa power ye abanyukuo bi a abanyukuo no enkonko hwem committee we ne nyase ye kwakwete won yakonum tii na committee we ya power no ye se ye nhwehwe ye abato onim sa aso Baba Jama oche TV obekunafo no woche ntoma ofofra no woka ho no oche moto Baba Jama woche kosua ni mako ne ya hwe de ne pomasibire ato baabi eda na asemmia nkasa ne ebe power ya abadwofo no kra no eye domkum e wo mrahye bedwafie me kire edom kese e wo mrahye bedwafie e ba abonte be ka se brebra ma amane amma enka abato no kra ne kaye ntwam nanso no John Dramani Mahama sansa de betwam no yesi e power eye abadwokuo e mo mo hwehwe eye abato nim ene ne ebu se yo wura Baba Jama se babe abato ne esi ne ya power abadwokuo ye ba behwehwemu ye de tumi na ma ode ya to aba tu ahene ne esi ahene fo we DC mu ato aba se wo ena esafata wo se ye de ma wo tumidie krata no ye de hye wo nsem wo ne ne ebre so 2028 no wudi amanyuko nanim enso esi yesi ya power abadwokuo ye kwa kohwehwemu wuji musei ena Baba Jama se wodo no wonsuro oye bema wonsinsuo mu ansa no waham asam ne de onim se wono no wonyeye TV na hia wonche hwe wonche bibia eniti no wone de wonsuro nanso waka kire eye won na woye campaign di man no the campaign timfo nyina se momo makoma ntomo yam ekuo kitua mamu nsuro esanse nipa bonfo bi omada no won katebone no maba be fra yemu eno mbese me Baba Jama muguma nimu ase ti muda monkama koma ntomo yam se John Dramani Mahama Mr President wono no so wo be kire Ghana no waye ni ye dia resetting agenda no me so me ka ho bi Baba Jama etime be boa pa am yetime a reset Ghana ye any abadwokuo na ya pa no memeji tum
by the committee here, sir.
Oh yes, I've been invited to meet the committee later today, and as I said, I will make myself available for any investigation to go on so that our names will be cleared, so that everybody will have confidence in the system. We don't have anything to hide, and so we will make ourselves available to go and respond to whatever investigation that they want to conduct.
But what message do you have for your supporters?
No, I will ask my supporters to stay calm. You have seen the crowd here who have come to show solidarity. I am grateful to them, but everybody should stay calm, because let's allow the processes to go on and let the party do what it's supposed to do.
It appears an independent candidate is taking advantage of what is happening. I was in the constituency and I've seen that he's seriously campaigning. Are you not worried about what's happening now?
No, I don't want to comment on him. Let me finish my battle, and then I'll come to him.
You are sure we are coming out clean and victorious?
Oh, as I've said, I have not done anything wrong, and for that matter, I am sure I have earned a genuine victory, and for that matter, I will be allowed to go.
You didn't buy the TV. You didn't share the TV. We are told it's your friends that share the TV. Can you confirm that?
I also heard it after even the election that I heard these things. I also heard it later that some TVs were shared. And now, do you now know the problem I have? Now, a lot of people, because I think they didn't share for everybody. Now, everybody is coming to my office here asking for TV, and now I don't have TV. You understand? They are all now coming here, everybody wants TV, and I don't have TV because I have not shared. Those who dealt with it, I don't know. Actually, do you know that the people they are talking about, I don't even know, I've not seen them. I've heard the names. I know the name, but I've not even seen them as I talk to you now. So I really cannot really say anything about that.
Finally, sir, what have you to say to His Excellency who gave you the position at the National High Commission? And definitely we know you are going to be recalled anyway. But this comes as a surprise.
Look, I thank him so much for giving me that opportunity to serve my country. I thank him so much, and I will continue to work wherever he thinks I am suitable for. I am prepared to work wherever he will place me, or I will be in parliament to support his cause, because we are all trying to reset Ghana. We will continue to reset Ghana under his leadership. The president is the one who is our coach. He deploys us the way he wants. So if he decides to bring me back from Nigeria, I will only thank Allah and thank him for the opportunity he has given me.
Thank you so much, sir.
Me say me catch your Obia e Ghana ha. Say election aye e wa mi ma no. E peaceful election na e peace na election no. Mo bi fa ntokwa bi enfa mba Ghana. Me catch Fifi Kwete. Fifi Kwete, my friend 3 times.
And I also know. And the Crawford.
No, Muyasa. Me do not go. Mamu creative problem, manima. Mamu creative problem, manima. And I mamu NDC no problem. Mamu NDC no problem. Mamu NDC no problem. Fifi Kwete, me do not go. Mamu NDC no problem. I will name I was one. Who leave about election aye wa Ghana since family Nkrumah even na Fifi Kwete who say the chadieda even na who Fifi Kwete who say the chadieda MPP election MTC election the chabi bia ma delegate one kind of Fifi Kwete onim everybody was who say 100 million Fifi Kwete who and the man for no in fact to name so. Man go and this you.
Why by what man?
Man go and this.
I don't understand. Why by what man?
Fifi Kwete. Man go and this. Oni me bra sana. Mo ba power. Na mo nye position ati wo. Mo ni me moja sure. Asana mo nye power. Then I dey this ba power. Me do nan kopo. Fifi Kwete. Jiwa no fa feed me masam so. Me ka bibia.
Fifi Kwete. You know something?
We are
one family. We don't want any division.
We don't
want any division. We are all one family. Even though because of politics that came and divided us, we are all one family. So don't try to bring any
problem,
any tribalistic or hypocrisy or darkness in our souls. We don't want it. We don't want it.
Why
Baba Jamal?
Why Baba Jamal?
You need to bribe people.
Why Baba Jamal?
You don't want that. It's I also know people that came and bribe people at the election ground. I have witness. They came and bribe people of $3,100. I have witness. I swear, I have witness. So we don't want any division. I also is. So be on your lane. I also know be on your lane. Don't come to our lane.
Obia Cheska and Obia my dear. Obia my dear. Mamu ya sa. Jaja. Jaja. Fifi Kwete. Obia ni na no. Mfafi ni ma ewa so. Kwasu so. Me katibia.
Soon. Soon names will be coming out. Wallahi. If they like, they should send us to court. We have witness. Wallahi.
Be on
your line. I will also be on your line.
MPP amanyokuo no. Vice chairman ya edema ye MPP amanyokuo. Ewo ye enkramanchemu. Ono so aba abonten na nasem a waka nyina ne se. OSP, special prosecutor, special prosecutor. One keka ne ho pa. Ora buga. Eke buga ba ni di ankasa de Alhaji Osmani Masoud wono no ye third national vice chairman at the New Patriotic Party EDP amenyoko wo say OSP nye intentem pa no amane nanti na mo no to na nachi futuro se wan hwehwe eye Baba Jamal say semi mo ahwe jabetom Ghana ha no sei
because of vote buy. This is a clear criminality. This is a clear criminality. If the NDC think they are not competent, they are competent. They are not incompetent. They should call Baba Jamal to order. They should let the special prosecutor to prosecute Baba Jamal to jail him for the incompetence, for what he exhibits in the Ayawasu east of vote buying. Salam alaikum wa rahmatullah.
buga na eka ho. Buga sama waka me ntwere bibia. Third national vice chairman edema New Patriotic Party EDP amenyoko no owura Alhaji Osman Masoud wono no nsam na ne buga eti wonase mo ka nyina ye buga wose OSPA ententem so at once by force fre Baba Jama na asem hwehwemu popo pa na no na mibusa buga say wana bo wo kasa de ama Ghana for anasa wo kasa e de favor ho selfish interest ntia mesra wo se wo kasa de ama ho pa dia ene nkagyae esanse mo amanyokuo mo so mo hyase bi na anu ya enche mo kura de 2 weeks mai wo ho e na mo kokori ye mo kandini na mo kwano mo so ehu de kwa so wo ho adamudie no mo de mo anche TV mo anche fridge na emom ni sika se bocho se bam ebi ji free Brian ebi ji free eye Kennedy ye hunu mo eni ti buga asem na wo ka no se OSP enfre ye Baba Jama no hwe di hyemu na ne asotwe bi wo ho no ma se prison sa wo ma enfa ne nkon mete wase na enso sa wo ka dia favor ho dia sa amanyoni anase wo gina se wo kasa dia ma o my Ghana dia wo kasa dia ma o my Ghana dia ne kamte wase ba esa wonkasa yenu wokasa asamanyuni wokasa de favor ahode ene mo na mo hya ase de ode ahwede ba afie no won na de nwanso na baaye enti wo so manyekuo ni na anu ya 2 weeks ya e mai mbu atin say Saturday ba ni 2 weeks ena mkoko yi am kandini e ho so na damudie ni bi ko so eni ti hya ase fa firi wo fie asa na wo de ababo enti ye me matisi wo so masa ese be na ne woti nwoma na ye de akere wo we ye buga asem a wo ka asem na wo ka ne ya adwea na wo do comment ne ba me meje bre mekenkan e dia maw no aka se obewo so ma enua bi nso insight mi aka bi na asem yi na twetwe aso eni nti no kasamafo edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bema wonsin so mansa no ham okatachie owura Kwachi Ofosu waba abonten Kwachi Ofosu sama wakra nyina ne se ebinom nam ene omo keka so wono no John Dramani Mahama he je se owura Baba Jama akra no ese no wo ne ho menasipo bi owura Kwachi Ofosu se yenka nkyere mu nyina se Baba Jama Ghana mampani oni ni asem bia kwa ne no asem akwa ma ndibire sei se kwatena ya alatamam ko ne kosi manemu alatamam Nigeria musika ne sade eso ye de ya aboabo no yie wose wono no president one time Baba Jama
President recalls Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria, and essentially, Nadia Omampeni Kane say, Honorable Baba, His Excellency Baba Jamal Nejuma as Ghana Ambassador to High Commissioner to Nigeria Fantoho, based on Neomana Akoso Ayawaso East constituency. The basis really, then say, Owini. The primary no anase the allegations of vote buying no India, which was with me Pacho.
Oh, the edit I know. So we really primary side is not an offense. When you're going to be anti, we election was so we really primary.
Yes.
Number 2, it's important to clarify here. Say there's no law. Some no Kasim. You see, High Commissioner being say they pray internal primaries of a party. And also kono wa contested parliamentary election. Now so we need parliamentary election of the MPPR. And we here say Odile Juma as High Commissioner Ambassador not to. You can raise questions about propriety in that, but you are the lawyer. You know that there's no law that backs that kind of context.
Yes.
No, itself is not an offense.
Yes.
Yes,
okay.
But I'm saying na anyway. And I'm saying about private ekosono eni bia koso a entwa
yes
if one say sikeyi ne enyama tete bia etiamra acheto kedima ni bia ni amemu ase na mpenifo say opening na fie ma se bia mfo enti o mampeni Mahama ya koto aba no de Ghana fu nem say eba amemu a obehwe ama pepe ye no nkuntabu ayo adwuma make us say your orala in Penipua, a baby woman, a baby a chimney, you have to be someone somewhere, if you crowd of courts for various offenses.
Yes.
If they are happening, in Trajana, it's Yamlana, a bitch in Yapo, and Memoasia. Old make us say, Nipa, a disagreement, said your men, the party for anatomy and appointee, you know, on the necessary. Into Nidia bitch in Yayano, and it's a betting panasso. And on the two just a near Minia, Alaji Baba Jamal. If some can be also say, why did you enter? Into no on Friday, did you to a High Commission? na tie no je mu bi o ese ya yetumi aye me no ka say party no ate ma so nko bi a omo hwehwe nsem if amanya na ntie say na ko ma yo first meeting
sure
I stand to be corrected though but
that's true
I'm getting
that's true
and your friend saying OS so when say no area of the also
the statement
say or yes after no any individual be a force
yes
so it was in response to allegations of vote buying any union or any it's here electoral loss into no man to Sanamon.
But which should have come first? Because as you said, now allegations for now. Ain't if the president will make that move, say we're recalling a high commissioner based on allegations, would that not breach the fundamental rules of natural justice in this case? Because up until that time, Baba Jamal had not been heard, unless Ebi Omanpenyin didn't come on, Emma Omanpenyin was satisfied, say indeed, on a yes, no. Is that what happened?
Oh, of course, yen to me one for our clients and that is not what President Mama has done. But I think that there's sufficient basis on the evidence of the who you know to demand or require a certain kind of action. But as to whether he is guilty of the offense or not, it is only fair. Says you comply with the demands of natural justice, then you give me a hearing. And that is precisely why the party is going to look into the matter. The first thing, special prosecutor, so
yeah.
But I think there are times which means the accused even pending further investigation on any necessary judicial process, you can take some action. That means it sends a certain signal. Say in the area of what they are, and it's a bit one, and that is exactly what has happened.
If the investigations establish, say, what happens?
Well, that would mean that he has been cleared by a proper investigative committee.
Yes.
As to what happens next, they are maintaining the bachelor. If he is willing to recall him, reinstate him, and after be the decision. But the point is that say a special prosecutor saying who's on
yes
party committee saying who's on, and then I think that he will work a free man.
He will work a free man.
Nana na me so me ka dia kire eye committee fo ne say mate se na dua ya modi eho ka ne se mo akọ kansam ni nyina awie eni nti so be say solution modi ba modi mo nkrata na eba Ghana man penu atimi ahwem mokoye ye na me de me ka che mo se mo ma awia mmom eja mmom mo obi antimi nhunu de ebubo no modi ba no ma menye no wada suja na no de ni bi ehu bi amanyokoye nimmo amanyofoye nimmo ebubo ba ko na mo pe na asem a na mo aye no fo se be ya rete sam na ade na kwa kugu baabi masa committee fo aye pa mo ma awia momo asem na mo de ba no se ebu abo Baba Jamal mo ma ye hunu hajia susu na ebu aba na mo ma ye hunu omo ka ho ni bi na ebu abo wo mo ne de asem to ye Baba Jamal so mo ma ye hunu enye sa de a mo so mbete mo dwe ewo abusia se won so ne me ya adwen se yemma eye awia mmom committee fo nsensem ye mo de ba abontin ne dei e de fa eye abato e course na no mementa ewo ya wo so isi so ne me ya adwen Baba Jamal asem ya wo kan wo so onim ho hwio aya asem ye de to no so won so ne ya adwen na eye wona bo buga third vice chairman de ma eye New Patriotic Party MPP amanyuko de Bruce na asem a waka say OSP enye eye Baba Jamal asem ne ho hwehwemu enye sa de a OSP betene dwe wo se Baba Jamal asem efata ensawo mu ayefa ne nko ne ya adwen anaso wono no o kasasa manwani e dia favor ono ane ho ana fo wadwen mpa ne bra de fagu ase ho bobo ne kama ma kasa ne ho nti wai e betena ha e be kenkan ni nyina e dia ma no so hu de ochinchimye menye pese minkumunya Ghana ne kikire ne kankro ne nyina ye pe pia so wo so se ya pama wunia no nso ne nsa enka bi medi ene maame ekua makraw